Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist, so all the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. The Storm Prediction Center does indeed have a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms for today in Flagler County. Matter of fact, this whole area here, and it just means that we're going to see widespread showers and thunderstorms come across this entire area, but just a couple of them could potentially be strong or severe anywhere within this region. Again, these storms will be isolated, capable of producing strong winds in excess of 40 to 60 miles per hour. The odd tornado or two cannot be ruled out. And again, the best chances of strong storms are going to be more to the north and west of us, but Flagler County right here, we're in that risk area as well. The better chances for us are going to be somewhere in the afternoon through midnight tonight. So we're going to see those storm chances. But again, we are going to see widespread showers and thunderstorms, but the strongest of the storms will be very hit or miss. So nothing to really worry about, but you want to be hooked up on our warning systems just in case. Make sure that you are hooked up. FlaglerCounty.org/alertFlagler will get you hooked up with Alert Flagler. Click on that big red button when you get there. You'll get you hooked up. If you have a weather radio, make sure it's up and running. Smartphones are a great resource as well. Make sure you got a good weather app or two on there to give you heads up. Always have a plan of action should threatening weather approach your location. So why is this happening? Well, we do have a cold front that is moving across the state of Florida kind of slowly. It's going to push some storms ahead of it. That front pushes through late Friday, stalls to the south of us, and then gives us a pretty nice day on Saturday. But then we get to Sunday, weak low pressure takes shape over southern Florida, lifting a warm front back our direction, and that'll turn the weather unsettled again for the latter part of the weekend. So what does all this mean for us here in Flagler County? Around the showers and storms, likely Friday. Again, some storms may have squally winds and heavy rainfall, cooler and breezy on Saturday, and turning unsettled again as we get into Sunday. Perhaps some heavy rainfall will also be possible, perhaps Sunday night, maybe going into Monday. So through Friday, thickening cloud, maybe some sunny spells, but outbreaks of showers and storms likely. Again, the odd storm could be strong or severe. High temperatures getting up near 80 or so, 85, depending how much sun can get out before the cloud thickens up. Low temperatures behind that front in the upper 50s. As we get to Saturday, the cloud clears off, maybe some patchy cloud, but breezy and cooler. High temperatures getting up to near 70 degrees. It may actually stay in the upper 60s. Low temperatures in the 60s at night. Again, there could be a few showers real early Saturday morning before the sun comes up, but those will be ending. As we get into Sunday, however, weather turns unsettled once again. Cloud thickens up with outbreaks of showers, rain, and maybe some thunder. Could be raining by the time you wake up on Sunday. Heavy rain possible. The better chances of the heaviest rain maybe Sunday night, but some uncertainty on the timing. Highs in the 70s, lows in the 60s, and that unsettled weather stays with us into Monday. Maybe not quite as much rain, but again, if things slow down, that could change that. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s, and then through next week, looks like a risk of showers each day, some days more so than others. Staying seasonable with highs in the 70s and 80, lows generally in the 60s. At the beaches, surf 3 to 4 feet, surf temperature 73 degrees. That's come down a bit. Moderate rip current risk and a moderate to high UV index depending on how much sun gets out. On a clear day, the UV index will be running high. On cloudier days, it'll be generally low to moderate. So that's going to wrap things up in the Emergency Operations Center. For the latest updates from the Weather Service, take your mouse, take your computer, go to FlaglerCounty.org and hover your mouse over webcams and weather. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you're there. Now, always check your weather radio. It's a good resource, as I said earlier. And again, if you want to keep up on the tropics, they're pretty well behaved right now, but you want to see what's going on out there, go to hurricanes.gov. That's going to wrap it up in the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a lovely weekend.